Here's a quick tutorial on the main things you need to know when you want to crochet a stuffed animal. First is the magic circle. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, reach through, bring up your loop, chain 1. Most patterns say to start with 6 single crochet in that magic circle. So you'll take your hook, go through the circle, bring up your loop, grab your yarn, pull through 2. There's your single crochet into the magic circle. And then once you have the number of stitches that your pattern says to do, you just grab the tail and give it a pull, and that closes up your circle. When your pattern says to do a single crochet, you'll just go through the stitch, bring up your loop, grab your yarn, pull through 2. For an increase, you'll go into the stitch, do 1 single crochet, and then go back into that same stitch that you just worked in and do a second single crochet. So an increase is 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. Next is the decrease. So you go into your stitch, bring up your loop, go to the next stitch, bring up a loop, grab the yarn, and then pull through all 3 loops. And that's a decrease. Another thing you'll need to know is the slip stitch. So go into the stitch, grab your yarn, pull it through all the way, and that is a slip stitch. I'll show that one more time. Just grab your yarn and pull it all the way through. And then when it says to tie off, after you've done your slip stitch, you just grab your yarn, pull it through, and there we go. You're tied off. You cut your yarn and pull it out, and you're done. That is all you need to know for making stuffed animals.